Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and we're working on the French journal today again. And I've decided I want to add some textiles. So I've been looking through my scraps and I've got some different things I'm thinking about using. So what I'm wanting to do is put these on the edges of some of these pages. So I am going to, this one, I thought I could even make a pocket out of it if I stitched it. If I put it like on the edge of one, let it hang over, I could stitch around it and create a little side pocket with it if I wanted to. So, and I've kind of got them, again, I've got them, see like this page I'm not in love with, so I think that this might be an opportunity to do this to it, just to add a little bit of fun. I kind of like the flowers with the color peeking through there, so I think I will do that. I actually might do that on both. No, I think I'll leave the other one. I'll leave the other one alone. Okay, so that's that one. And I always think I'm going to keep these in order, and then it just doesn't happen. So might as well just forget about it. This green velvet goes really good with that. And maybe if I put it on, stitch it on this side, because I don't want to lose any of this. Well, maybe I do. Maybe I'll just do a little short gathered piece of velvet right there. Okay, so I'll put that there. And then this has got the tab from that. So then there's this one. And this also is not the most wonderful page. Although I have to remember I'm going to glue my 4-flap box fold in here somewhere. So I'll leave that. So let's see what I got going on here. I've got, looking for some color match here. Not loving that, probably needs to be white. So maybe I just do a piece of this. That probably would be great. Okay, so I'm going to cut that. Got my cloth page. And then this page, I'm going to look. Okay, so I got these on Etsy. Hand-dyed silk velvet ribbon. Let's see. I don't know if any of these look particularly nice with that. Let's see if I got a bag of, I mean the gold's kind of nice. Got a bag of scraps. Leopard print. I don't really see anything. I mean, I guess the gold looks okay. And boy, if you ever tear this velvet, it is a mess. So be sure you're over it. Be sure you tear it over a trash can, because it really makes a mess. Okay, so I think if I pleat that like that, maybe that's all I need is like half of it. What has happened? Oh, okay. All right, so this. And so then this middle one. Boy. This pink doesn't look too bad. Kind of a warm pink. Use that on the edge of there. And it doesn't look too bad on the other side either, so cut this off. And oh wow, These two pages together is a little much. I might be sorry for this, but I'm going to try rubbing Distress ink on this, see if it tones it down. Or makes it more appealing. Okay, it does. It tones it down, and it sort of makes it more orange instead of pink, which kind of goes better with that page. Although that's still a lot of confusion. Well, not sure what I can do about that, but that's the way it is. Okay, so all right. I was wanting to do a paper, like a old page, like take an old hymn and pleat that. So you know, that kind of that wasn't very straight. Let's try that again. And I'm going to tear this like that. And maybe stitch that on. Well, I don't like that that doesn't have music on both sides, so let me try that again. I think I'll stitch it on this side, and then, because I don't want to lose this lettering right here. All right, so I'm going to put that on that side, and then over here, I mean, I could use the green again. It looks pretty with that. That doesn't have green on it. All right, we'll let that one go. Let this one go. So then we're over here. This kind of looks nice with it, this velvet ribbon. Put that on that page. I'm gonna get back over there. I hope I can find this stuff. And then we're back to this purple. I'm gonna leave it alone, leave this alone, leave this alone, leave this alone. And then we're back to this. I could do, I'm okay. I think I'll do the green velvet again on that. And then this page, I'll leave it alone. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the sewing machine and sew the pieces that I've cut out here, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm getting really close to being ready to bind this thing, but then I remembered I need to bind the cover onto this. So I need to figure out, I'm going to do a cloth cover, soft cover. So I need 2 fabrics, one for the inside, one for the outside, and then I use the baby quilt liner to go in between those. So I need to pick those out. And then I thought before I did that, I would go through this one more time and look, because I've been guilty in the past of rushing to bind my stuff, and then it's harder to do some of the things I want to do. So I just want to look at this one more time and see if, and what I thought I would do is do some mark making. So just what you've seen me maybe do if you've seen my art journals. Mark making is kind of a thing. And it's really just making a pattern with all different shapes and sizes of marks. And so I'm going to dots, use these, this is a Posca metallic bronze. It's paint, it's acrylic paint basically, that's in this liquid marker form. It's really cool. I like it a lot. They come in all different sizes. So I just thought I'd play with some mark making. I've got another one that's a purple, violet, and it's in a smaller one. And you just push it down to get the paint to flow. And you've probably seen these patterns. They're on everything now. I mean, everything. Kleenex boxes. Drink cups. I'm seeing it on all sorts of packaging. And it just gives that hand of the artist feeling to things when you draw things. I'm just doing it on this one side. I just feel like this side is kind of, that's going to need to dry because that's paint. And so this goes like this. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, and I think I'll do some stamping on that. And let's see, this is brown. Newspaper print stamping. And then I've got one that looks like a letter. And I want to do that in brown. I guess I will. Let's see. I'm going to have this thing all upside down and backwards if I'm not careful here. Let's see. I might even do it on that. I don't think I want to use brown on this. This has already got black. So I'm going to stick with the black. Okay, let's see. Oh boy. And I think I'll do this some more. I like that a lot better with that on there. soon as this dries. I can't tell. Okay, it's dry. I'm going to go pick out my fabrics for the cover, and so I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my fabrics picked out, and they're completely different. I hope I'm not making a mistake, but so on my cover is going to be this really sweet little rose. I think they're roses and green. Isn't that pretty? That's going to be my cover on the outside, and then when you open it, I'm going to put this as the liner on the inside. This really fun fabric that my sister gave me, and hopefully that's not a mistake. I think it'll be okay. It's just so different from the cover, but I think that's okay. So, and then this is the baby blanket, baby quilt liner that I got from Amazon, and I just chop off a rectangle out of that. So I'm gonna have that ready for the next video. I'll cut it out and get it all ready, and then we will do that on the next one. So for this one, I think we're done. And I thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, please click the like button, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.